Hello everyone, I am Deepak from Udan Class 10. Now I will begin with the discussion of first language English paper. Okay, so this model question paper is a multiple choice based model question paper has been provided by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Okay, so the most important paper it is on second day you are writing this paper. Okay, this paper consists of 40 marks. Okay. So each question carrying 1 mark. Okay, now I will just begin with the discussion of answers. Okay, now I'll just read out what you should do. See, four choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and share the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Okay, so you should use a ballpoint pen only, don't use ink pen or gel pens. Okay, so I'll just start with question number 1 now. Dash Nile is dash longest river in the world. The correct article, so you should use the correct article here. So the correct article here is the Nile. Whenever name of mountains, books, rivers come, you should always use the. Okay, so the river, the Nile is the longest river in the world. So the correct answer here is the Nile is the longest river in the world. So the correct option is C here. Okay, now I'll just move on to the discussion of question number 2. Okay, please do not interfere dash my personal affairs. The correct preposition to be filled in the blank is, okay, which will be the C. Please do not interfere in my personal affairs. So correct preposition here is B. Okay, the correct option is B here. In I was surprised to see that strange black, I was surprised to see that strange blue drink. Okay, here the drink is noun. Okay, the correct answer here is noun. Okay, next one, 4. Question number 4. He never goes to bed before 10 o'clock. The question tag for the above sentence is, see, the correct answer here is does he, because the never word has come. Whenever the question begins, statement begins with negative, you should write the positive question tag. Okay, so and it is in present continuous, goes, so you should use does here. Okay, so does he is the right answer. Okay, next question number 5. The iron nail dash in summer and contract in winter. The antonym of the underlined word is, so contract, the opposite of contract, antonym means opposite words. Okay, synonym means similar words, so you should write the opposite words. Opposite of contract is expand. The correct answer here is expand. Okay, next question number 6. The poet dash is love and affection for his mother. So you should fill the correct verb here. So the correct answer here is the poet has expressed. Okay, so answer is has expressed his love and affection for his mother. Question number 7. Okay, dash being intelligent, she is working hard. Choose the right word. Okay, so what the correct answer here is B. Besides being intelligent, she is hardworking. Okay, next question number 8. The dash injection had done them no harm at all. Choose the correct form of the word. Okay, the answer is the deadly injection. Okay, deadly injection. The correct answer is option A here, deadly injection. 9. The leading actors received dozens of letters. Okay, so the leading, yes, so the correct option here is yes. You should write the passive form of the sentence. Okay, you should write the passive form of the sentence. The passive form of the sentence is you should always write from the right hand. Okay, so dozens of letters, it is actors received, it is in past tense, so where will come. Okay, so dozens of letters were received by leading actors. The correct option is C here. Okay, question number 9, answer is C. Okay, now I'll move on to the question number 10. Kiran said to me, did you see the cricket match? The reported speech of the above sentences. Okay, now see here it is a question mark, so here you should use asked or inquired. Okay, only two options are having asked. Since it is a question mark starting with did, so if should come, so if is required, so the only option is D here, which is having both asked and if. Kiran asked me if I had seen the cricket. The correct answer is option D. Okay, now next one, question number 11. So China is larger than most other countries in the world. The superlative degree of the given sentences. See, it is started with most other. Okay, so if starts with most other, then one of the should come. Okay, one of the in superlative degree. If this is a comparative degree larger than most other, then the superlative degree should have one of the. So the only answer is option is B here, which is having one of the. So option B is correct. China is one of the largest countries in the world. Okay, next question number 12. Identify the simple sentence. Okay, Mary and Samantha took the bus. So only this is the simple sentence here, because it doesn't have any not much of conjunctions or two words. Okay, two sentences you can say. So the correct answer here is A. It is a simple word. Mary and Samantha took the bus. Next, question number 13. So you should identify whether it is a formal letter, diary entry, notice, or report. Okay, so I'll just read the question. Friday, 30th November 2012. I had the best day ever today. I woke up this morning. The sun was shining through the curtains and I could smell breakfast cooking downstairs. I jumped out of my bed, threw uh, threw on my school clothes and skipped down to the kitchen. Rohini. The above piece of literature is a diary entry. Okay, so if somebody starts writing about themselves with day and date above, so it is considered as a diary entry. Okay, so I'll just move on to the question number 14. Yes, question number 14. Okay, so yes, so the question number 14 is the appropriate way to sign off a formal letter. So how will you sign off a formal letter? So whenever you are writing a formal letter, so you should always use yours faithfully. So the correct answer here is yours faithfully. Others are used for personal and other letters. Okay, so I'll just move on to the question number 15. Okay, so the question number 15 here is, this belongs to the lesson 1, a wrong man in workers paradise. The girl scanned the painted pot at home secretly because the girl was impressed by its beauty, very secretive in nature, afraid of the idle man. Option D, afraid of elders rebuke for wasting her time. So she was afraid here. Okay, so the correct answer is option D. Okay, question number 16. Okay, the elders in the workers paradise became anxious because work began to suffer. So option D is correct one. According to C.V. Raman, the true elixir of life is, so you know, true elixir of life is water. Imaginary elixir of life is divine Amrita. The correct answer here is option D, plain water. Okay, the question number 18 belongs to the gift of Magi. So when Della's head was covered with the tiny close-lying curls, she looked like a Coney Island chorus girl. Okay, she thinks like when her head got chopped, so she thinks herself like she looks like a chorus girl. Okay, so the correct option is B here. Okay, now question number 19. Madam Sofroni dealt in, so she is the one who chopped the hair of Della. So the correct answer is she dealt in hair goods. Okay, so question number 19 is hair goods. Now question number 20. In 1885, Pasteur, so this is the conqueror of the disease, Louis Pasteur lesson. Now the correct answer here is option D, made his first attempt on a young Alsatian boy. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Question number 21. Alexander was termed great, but moral he cannot be called because of his actions were. Okay, what will be the actions? So the correct answer here is B, only for conquest and renown. So only for that. So he is called great, but he is not moral. Okay, let's move on to the 22. Question number 22. Okay, see, love born out of the profit motive is no love. So this lesson, this sentence is from the lesson The Moral Action, written by Mahatma Gandhi ji. But these words were said by William Shakespeare. Okay, if you read that lesson thoroughly, in that it is given that the William Shakespeare says love born out of the profit motive is no love. It is said by William Shakespeare. Next one. According to narrator, the girl's voice had the dash of a mountain stream. The correct answer here is sparkle. Okay, so she had a sparkle. Okay, next one. The girl who was Annie Frank. So question number 24. Otto Frank and Wandan traded in. So they traded in spices. Okay, so correct option is C. Perry knew that there were 23 holes in his tunic because Perry had counted them. The correct answer here is Perry had counted them. Okay. Now question number 26. He does not catch them, they give themselves up. Here they refers to. Okay. So the correct answer here is eels. Okay. So option D is correct. The sun was described as a reluctant sun. It means that the sun was unwilling to rise. The correct answer is A here. The sun was unwilling to rise. So this question is from Saurus crane. Okay. Then the female Saurus crane sat on the blood-stained feathers. Okay. Why did he sat? To hatch it into toddling chick. The correct answer is C here. Okay. To a pair of Saurus crane. Lesson it is. Sorry, poem. Now question number 29. According to Abraham Lincoln, brown and brain refers to. Okay. So the correct answer here is physical strength and intelligence. Okay. Next question number 30. Bullies are easiest to lick. This suggests that. Okay. What does it suggest? It suggests that it is easy to defeat the physically strong. The correct answer here is it is easy to defeat the physically strong. The poet compares the human body to her. To whom does the poet compare the human body? To a temple, vachana, temple and the body. Okay. The line in the poem which tells you that the speaker is a scheming and cunning friend is. Okay. Which is that line? And I served it with smiles. The correct answer here is D. Okay. The poet William Blake speaks about. What does the poet William Blake speaks about? He speaks about his suppressed anger. Okay. The correct answer here is suppressed anger. In the poem The Stolen Boat, the narrator's pleasure is troubled because his conscience pricks him on a slutty act. So he has stolen the boat, so his conscience is pricking him. Okay, so correct option is B here. Now Bhatto, question number 35. Bhatto went to Dronacharya to learn the science of archery or to learn archery. Okay, next 36. Drona sought dash as recompense from Bhatto. He has sought the right hand thumb from the Bhatto. Okay. Next, the poet says that his mother would not know him because he has grown big. Okay, he has grown up now, so he has grown big, so his mother wouldn't recognize him. Okay. C.L. Lemites, Caroline L. Masefield poem. John Masefield began his life. So the correct option is in the dark womb. So he began his life in the dark womb according to the poem. Now, one who objected Karna in joining the battle with Arjuna was Kripacharya. Okay, the correct answer is option D here, Kripacharya. The last question, Ulysses and his men, okay, Ulysses and his men pleased themselves a whole day by, okay, by beholding the giant's kitchen. Okay, they were in the beholding the giant's kitchen. I hope you have understood each and everything clearly. Any doubts you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you and all the best.